be silent, not a whisper. But the sky breaking open. Like lightning, not waiting, not asking. It comes from east to west, no place left to hide, no shadow deep enough. And suddenly, everyone feels it, the weight of being seen. Cities hold their breath, they forget to move. The world listens, and then can't ignore light where there was none, stillness in the storm, and every eye finally understands. No one told you it would feel like this. Not fear, something deeper, like being called by your name. Oh, like a thief in the night. Faithful and